So just about checked out of our first hotel, the show stay by Best Western. Just gone 7 in the morning, so today we've got time for breakfast. Just going to go and have a look, see what the breakfast has to offer. It's also got a small pool that we've not been able to make use of, unfortunately. You get pool towels from the reception. They ask you not to use their towels. But yeah, looks alright. So you do get a complimentary breakfast, but we've not been able to make use of it so far because it starts at 7, but we've been leaving about 6 every morning. So we're going to go and have a look at the breakfast today before we head off to Yosemite. Had the breakfast. Wasn't much choice. You could have cereal, toast, or a couple of pastries. That was about it, wasn't it? Yeah. So I had some jam on toast. Alison had some peanut butter and jam on toast. The coffee machine wasn't working, so we just had the last bits of juice they had in a Sunny D bottle. So we're not too disappointed that we've missed 2 breakfasts to get into the parks early, national parks early, but it'll keep us going till lunchtime. Just got 2 hours 20 till we get to Yosemite, 92 miles. Should be there about 10 AM. Hopefully the traffic's kind to us. Good news. We made it to Yosemite. I'm just on the way to our trailhead to start our Waterfall trail. I think the big rock ahead is called North Dome. Right, onto the hike. Right, about to start the mist trail. Vernal Falls and Nevada Falls, the John Muir Trail. It's about a 8-kilometre walk there and back. What's the difficulty level on this one?
Apparently it's strenuous.
Strenuous? Goodness. This should be fun. If anything, Alison will give me a piggyback, she said.
Yeah. It's a truth.
Wow, steep climb already. We're at the beginning of the trail. There's Alison.
You okay?
No, I just got a they have those dips.
You alright? Quite steep, isn't it?
Yeah.
Size of these granite cliffs are enormous. Just getting to a clearing in the trees. Wow, a long way down. Yosemite Falls in the background. Wow. That's a steep little climb. 5-10 minutes non-stop climbing. This is quite strenuous, this. Where is she? There she comes. Makes you out of breath a bit. It's a good outlook. Popular picture points. Wow. That's impressive.
I like the breeze.
Yeah, lovely breeze. Really warm now. In the 30s. Big queue coming down. Alright, made it.
Yeah.
Made it to the first one.
Yeah,
Vernal Falls. Bit wet,
Tiny bit.
tiny bit.
We're drying about 30 seconds in when we get out of the bits.
Yeah. This is the wettest I've ever been. Exeter, Brent. That's the reason why. Made it to the top of the waterfall. That was quite a scary million steps, or so it seemed. Wow. Pretty cool, isn't it? So what you're about to see is Nevada Falls now. Right up there. going down there. A little bit closer to Nevada Falls now. Feel the spray getting wet again. It's so powerful. This has been some hike so far. Great day today's been. We're on the John Muir Trail now, back to Yosemite Village. Just as steep. Just as hard work. So far I've done 8.5 kilometres. Been going for 3 hours, 15 minutes. And there's about 2.2 mile left of this. Hopefully we get to the top soon and it flattens out. Good photo opportunity. This was the first waterfall top we got to. A few people there still. Still going up. It's about 20 minutes later. And this hill is never ending. Not bad views though. As you can see. Keep it up. You're doing good. Some signposts. Make sure we're going in the right direction. Let's have a look. Uh-oh. Hope it's not closed. Ah, that side is. We go straight on. Phew. This is Clark Point. Finally, we're at the top. I'm going to go downhill. I don't mind telling you, this one's been challenging. Good fun, but challenging. But the views make it all worthwhile. Just going to show you another view at this corner of the valley. Stopped for another photo opportunity.
I think we're basically walking down there.
Downhill, yeah.
Yeah, down this hill here.
Oh, right, yeah, I see. Still going. Just got to 10 kilometres. These switchbacks go on forever. I'd rather be doing this than going down past the waterfall on the slippery stairs any day. You can see in the distance is Upper Yosemite Falls. Every corner you turn around, there's another spectacular view. So it's 11.5 kilometres so far, and we're just about to get to the end of the John Muir Trail. Reconnecting onto the Mist Trail again, near first waterfall. Then it's a hike down the Mist Trail back to Yosemite Valley. Made it to the bottom, back to the bottom of the Mist Trail. Been going for 5 hours 50 since we left the car. Nope, scratch that. 4 hours 50.
Its tail, that's how you know it's a fox. I definitely thought it was a tiger.
This is Curry Village. I was walking through earlier, we had a coffee just from there, a Meadow Grill. Quite reasonable, nice coffee. $2. So there's all sorts around here. There's pizzerias, places to get groceries, posh coffee houses. You can get your iced teas, lattes, and rent bikes. This is where the campground is. Tons to do and see. Nearly there. Nearly back to the car. What a lovely meadow this is. Made it back to the car. We've just been walking for 5 hours 40 minutes. Did 16.5 kilometres and we climbed up to 2,000 feet in elevation. That was quite a tricky hike, but it was worth it. Worth it for the views. As you can see now, right now just leaving Yosemite Valley. It's fantastic. Just on our way to our hotel for the night. It's the Yosemite Inn in Mariposa. It's about 40 miles away. It'll take us about an hour. And we'll find something for tea tonight. Just driving past this place and we had to stop. We walked past this in 2017 when we was last in Yosemite, and we took a picture which we've had framed and canvassed in our living room. This exact picture. Didn't quite recognise it because there's a waterfall there now, and I wasn't last time I was here. Welcome to the Yosemite Inn in Mariposa. This is an hour away from Yosemite, about 40 miles. This will be our home for the next 2 nights while we're in and out of the parks. It's like a nice room, 2 queen beds, which are enormous. Couple of plug sockets, even sockets in the lamp, which is nice. We'll look over here. What we got? Vanity mirror and a sink outside. There's your loo, your tub and your shower over the tub. Nice grey tiling up there. And what we've got around here, a comfortable looking armchair. Iron board, plenty of coat hangers. We've got 2 fridges.
No.
What's this one?
Where's the other fridge?
Yeah. Ah, okay, we've got a fridge,
Where have you seen the fridge?
microwave. I thought you went in this.
Oh.
Did you think the fridge was in it?
I wonder what was in there.
Ah,
It may have had a fridge.
it looks like this, yes. The fridge may have been here at one point, but it doesn't fit at the moment. So, lots of storage, nice little TV. Remote's in cellophane for some reason. Yeah, I don't know.
It's been sanitized?
Sanitised, yeah, maybe so. A lot of different people touch it, don't they? It's a good idea. AC is fantastic. It's 99 degrees outside, and it felt amazing to walk in here. Lovely room. This will do us.